Hi, this is Johnny Shell with SGIA, and here's today's Tech Tip Tuesday.
My name is Jim Raffel with ColorCasters, and I am a color management consultant and trainer. Today I wanted to talk to you about the difference between can profiles and custom profiles. Typically a can profile will come to you from a printer manufacturer or a media manufacturer, and it will be built hopefully for your printer, ink, and media combination, but it will not have been built in your facility on your printer for your exact environmental conditions, and that means that it cannot produce the optimum color gamut for your device. So instead, you would want to build a custom profile like we've done here using the SGIA test form from our boot camp. And this we built using our exact printer, our exact media, our exact ink, and whatever RIP we were going to be using. And we built a color profile using a target like this that will then achieve our maximum print gamut. And that's why you want to do custom profiles versus can profiles. And that's all I got.